Hi guys, got the Honda HRU 216. Now in here we've got the spring that usually goes in there. It's for the height adjustment return spring, and it goes along here and it goes around this little thing here. Now to get that off, you've got to use a screwdriver to pry her off. But before we do that, because we've got this arm here, we have to take the wheel off first. And with this particular model, it's got a circlip we've got to take off with a screwdriver. So just with a flathead screwdriver, I'm just going to pry this off. Keep on going around and around. This way, if you do it this way, instead of just with one side, do it evenly. If you do it evenly, it'll come off. It won't take too long. See, there it is, it's coming off now. And if you do it this way, evenly all the way around, we can reuse the spring clip. Unfortunately, this one, it snapped right there. Anyway, we got a new one. That's okay. Got that off. Now the extra wheel will just slide off by itself. Maybe the best way to do this is to put the screwdriver in like that and just turn. Keep on turning and then it will come off. So that's already up high enough. Do the other side and got it. And there it is. And while we're in there, there's the old spring. There's the old part of the spring that snapped off. There it is. All right. Going to clean all this up, get the new spring and put it in and put it all back together again. Okay, so here we go. Got the new spring. Going to hook it straight into there like that. And for this to go to onto that, the best way to do it, get the old spring and you pick up this and you pull it into position. Make sure you get the mower chopped back here so it won't go backwards. And I'll get you a better position so you can see what I'm doing. That's it, it's in. She ain't going anywhere. And while I've got it down like that, we've got this little thing, put it on top, and we're going to use a screwdriver and a hammer just to hammer that back down. Make sure it's down all the way. That's not coming off at all. That's good. It's down nice and strong. And that's all done. Okay, so now that's on. It's looking good. And it's all the way to there. So there we go. All I've got to do now is put the wheel back on and Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching. And the wheel's back on. Good to go. Thanks for watching.